If you're like me, there are days that you just stare at your closet, looking at all the nice things you own, but being totally uninspired. Can't make up your mind, maybe? Just not seeing anything that you feel like wearing. So what do we do when that happens? I go for the tried and true. I go for a tank top, my old yoga jacket that's probably 10 years old, a pair of comfortable slip-on shoes, my baseball cap, a pair of sunnies. I don't want anyone to recognize me, of course. And that's what I go off with. Friends, I would submit to you that with all those beautiful things, we can be a lot more creative. So the first thing is, let's take a look at our wardrobe and see whether there's interesting colors that might be there, patterns, that sort of stuff. There's got to be something in there, right? So my first tip is to organize a little bit. I'm not talking about one of those big, massive closet clear outs, but let's just put like items together. And so we can see what we have. And so I've kind of divided things up by color and print, and kind of straighten things up and keep them kind of, in good shape. Short sleeves in the front so you can see them easily, jackets in the back. Kind of create a gradient color scheme. And yeah, there we go. Now I'm starting to feel a little bit better. I can see what I've got. So there are a lot of cute things that we can actually do with the joggers, but let's ditch the black tank and add a white tank and a little blue utility jacket. This jacket I have tied in the back, so it gives me a little bit of shape, and it kind of looks a little more tied together and a little bit more fun. Next, we can really jazz it up by adding this beautiful silk camisole and a little black sweater or some sort of jacket. A pair of heels completely changes this look. And the reason it works is because the joggers are kind of a satiny, soft fabric, and so there is a little drape to them. Let's switch out and add jeans. We just take the joggers off and add jeans. And now let's switch into a blazer and give the look a little bit more polish. There we go. With just a few moves, we've got a completely different look. Back to the white shirt, because white shirts are so great. We just add a blazer and now you've got another really great look. Now let's press those button-ups into work. They do so many great things in our wardrobe. This one I'm styling as a little jacket over my white t-shirt. It just gives the look a little bit of extra punch, and then just buttoned up the front and tails out, and you've got another really casual, fun look. Switch out the pants, and now we're going to add a belt and kind of see where we can go with this look. I'm thinking, a jacket, and so I pull a classic navy jacket, and we've got a really great look, and again, easy to pull together and just really classic and really comfortable. So getting back to the white t-shirt, and again, this is a foundational piece, and so I thought it'd be great to pull in one of the season's classic trends, sort of the lady jacket sweater. You could do a lady jacket if you have one, or these sweaters are really great because they give the appearance of structure and a little bit of drama. And this could be really cute with a pair of navy pants as well, maybe a pair of wide leg jeans. I really like to find wild card pieces like this, and I've shown this top before. It's sort of one of those kind of pieces that it kind of is interesting because it can look like a dress. It can be worn in a variety of ways, and it's just a versatile piece, and it's sort of timeless. And so keep on the lookout for pieces like this because they are great to be worn in so many different ways. So while we have the skirt out, I thought it would be sort of a good idea to kind of do a sweater and, well, actually this is two sweaters. The pattern sweater I purchased several years ago at Target. I took one look at it and I knew that it was for me. And I've worn it in many different ways, just with jeans because it's got the pattern on it. Now I'm doubling it up over a little cashmere t-shirt that I've got, and I thought it'd be fun to belt it and then tie the belt in with a pair of shoes that sort of match the color of the belt to kind of give it a coherent pull together look. And then I would add a tan handbag as well to finish off the outfit. But you know, having this solid colored skirt is just a great addition to the wardrobe. And again, just slip off your joggers and put on a skirt like this and you've got a great look to run out for lunch with your friends. And it looks equally as cute with a pair of jeans. So just adding these two couple of pieces and you get kind of a little bit of more of a polished look rather than just a plain t-shirt and jeans. But then if you'd like to make it a little more polished, you can throw the blazer on instead of the sweater. And again, you've got that structure and a little bit more of a classic and maybe a little more formal look. So one of the things I like to do is kind of create little color combinations or little outfit combinations. And so I'm going to grab that patterned sweater again and style it maybe a little unexpectedly. I think let's ditch the jeans and go back to the joggers because I think there are lots of great things that we can do with joggers so that we're not just looking so casual. And so here we are with the sweater combination that I liked so much with the other pieces. And I thought it'd be great to just wear it with my joggers, tuck it in, and give it a little bit of shape. You can wear whatever kind of shoes you find most comfortable. I tend to be a heels person, but I know that not everybody is. But just think, if you combine some great little top combinations, it's a great way to sort of elevate your wardrobe and have a bunch of different ideas of things to wear. Now, if it's cool and you want to add another layer, I'm adding just a denim shirt that I got earlier this year. I hope that this video inspires you to play with your closet and come up with some great combinations for your casual looks this season.